What's the meaning of arbitrate? Arbitrate. Arbitrate.
Arbitrate. Arbitrate. Arbitrate refers to the process of settling a dispute or disagreement between two or more parties with the help of a neutral third party. The arbitrator listens to both sides, evaluates the evidence presented, and makes a decision that is legally binding on all parties involved. Unlike mediation, which is non-binding, arbitration results in a final decision that cannot be appealed except in very limited circumstances. The result of arbitration varies depending on the specific issue being disputed and the decision made by the arbitrator after hearing all the evidence presented.